This is Zach's pronunciation. I am pronouncing the words, telling their synonyms and sentences. The word in this video is irritated. Irritated. And the synonyms of irritated are annoyed, exasperated, vexed, annoyed, exasperated, vexed. The constant dripping sound of the kitchen faucet made him deeply irritated. She grew annoyed when the train was delayed for the third time that week. After explaining the simple rules 5 times, the teacher looked exasperated. The missing paperwork left the accountant highly vexed. Irritated. And the synonyms of irritated are annoyed, exasperated, vexed. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zach's pronunciation for more pronunciation and language related videos. See you in the next video.